Hey collectors, welcome back. In this episode, let's see a new Boulevard set mixed Q-Case cars with real life cars. So let's get started. A 1993 Ford Escort RS Cosworth is ultimate rally car. The real car looks like this. A Volkswagen T1 panel bus in a two-tone green paint job with 5-spoke chrome wheels, as this is the official Hot Wheels paint job. A 1999 Honda Civic Type R EK9 in a complete white color paint job with red interior and a 5-spoke white wheels. The original car looks like this. A 1996 Chevy Impala SS in a complete metallic black paint job with a 5-spoke chrome wheels. The real car looks like this. A Mazda Mazdaspeed in a sparkling metallic maroon paint job with black interior and a 5-spoke chrome wheels. The real car looks like this. A new upcoming mystery models, a 1974 Brazilian Dodge Charger in a complete neon paint job with 5-spoke chrome wheels. A 1969 Chevy pickup from Mystery series with the orange paint job with Island Tour decals on sides with chrome bumpers and a 5-spoke wheels. A funky bone shaker with black body, green artwork with green wheels. A custom Volkswagen Beetle in a sky blue paint job with wooden effects on doors and with a 5-spoke black wheels. A detailed pic of a Hot Wheels NFT Series 4 car, a 1982 Cadillac Civic in a two-tone paint job, maroon and black, with a golden wheels and golden base. A Kruger exclusive, a Jaguar Lightweight E-Type. This Jaguar Lightweight E-Type could be yours when you buy a $20 of Hot Wheels diecast at a Kruger or family stores. So check out the sneak peek of a car. A new Hot Wheels Mazda RX-7 from the Fast and Furious Basic series with a 10-spoke chrome wheels. And upcoming lineups of a new Red Edition cars. Have a look. A Nissan Skyline R33 HKS has been shown at a Hot Wheels Ohio convention in a complete HKS livery with a 6-spoke grey wheels. Hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to all notifications so you can stay for further more updates. See you next time.